Did you know two Jamaican musicians have played on more hit records than almost anyone in history, yet most people have never heard their names? Oh, what a magical story this is, my word. Meet Sly Dunbar and Robbie Shakespeare, the Rhythm Twins. Since 1975, this drummer and bass player duo created the beat behind over 200,000 recordings. 200,000! That's Madonna, Bob Dylan, Mick Jagger, Grace Jones, and countless reggae legends all grooving to their rhythm. Their secret weapon was the rocker's rhythm that became reggae's signature sound. Sly's drums and Robbie's bass created an instantly recognizable groove that made your body move whether you wanted to or not. But here's the crazy part, people. They didn't just stick to reggae. These two shaped 80s pop, world music, and R&B while pioneering digital drums that influenced hip-hop worldwide. Their work ethic was legendary, recording multiple sessions daily across different genres. Jamaica's musical influence spread across the globe through their rhythmic innovations, making them the invisible backbone of popular music for decades. What a powerful legacy from this magical island.